Okay, so now I have my first camera rendered. It's pretty good. We're happy with it. So what we're going to do is set up a second camera. So I'm just going to go Shift A, and I'm going to come over here and set up camera. Okay? So there's my camera, and I'm going to name it as cam shot number 2, -2. Okay? There it is. So now, because it's selected here, and I go to camera, this is what my camera is seeing. I believe. Is that what's going on here, buddy? Are you here? Let's see here. Camera. Oh, there we go. That's better. Okay, that other video is done. So now I'm going to zoom out because I'm in N mode here. See, N, camera to view here, under view. And I want to kind of set it up so that I'm right at the entrance here. Right at the entrance. So I'm just going to come in here. It's going to be a cut scene, right? So maybe something like this. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, I'm going to press N to hide that. And then I'll just open up here. Yes, 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 I see you. Hang on, hang on. Let's press X to that. And get this off. Okay, I know. Okay, thank you. There's all my recordings. Okay, so this is going to be another 2-second maybe shot. Okay, so we'll go 0 to 48. Should be 47 really. Okay. All right, so 2 seconds from here. So I'm going to start here. Maybe I'll just kind of sneak to the right a bit, like that. Okay. And I'm going to press I over here. I, location. All right. Go to the last frame. And I'm just going to kind of zoom in here or something like that. Just kind of move through here. Okay. That's okay. And I'm just going to kind of come in like this, basically. Something like that. Okay, this is my second shot. Okay, now I need to press I here, location, and I'm going to just double check down here that I have my interpolation set to linear. Okay, well, let's press play and see what we got. That's still pretty fast, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so I've got a lot of movement in a short period of time. Okay, so what's another way that I could do this? Maybe I could go to the top view for a second. Press the period key, and this is where my camera is. Look, see? Okay, I'll press 7 again. Guys, this is for you, right? Yeah, please, go ahead, really. All right, so let's look at how far this camera went. So I'm just going to go into maybe, there's my camera right there, right? Okay, so where are you at 0, and how far did I move here? There, okay? So what I may just want to do is pull it back. Pull it back. You can also control it this way, right? See, because I don't have the auto key on, I can make these kind of changes. So let's see what's happening here. Let's come in here for a sec. I just come here, 1. I don't want too much of a movement, right? I still think this is still too far. So if I take this now, look, I can come in here and go right-click, copy, right? And you come over here. And right click and paste. Let me see, is it going to do this way or do I need a timeline? Let me see. No, I need to kind of do it right here. Paste. Watch this. Now it changed. See, now it's the same shot, right? So what I'll do now in this mode here, I'm just going to kind of just come in a nudge. That's it. Okay? And just to make sure, I'll press I and I'll say location. Now if I play it, not too much movement. That's a lot better. Just a little nudge, okay? So use the tools at hand. That's what you're going to see. All right. And then now I'm just going to double check over here. And it's here. Yep, it knows where it is. And automatically it names itself. Okay, guys? So if I go here, render animation, it's going to make a new version for me. And hopefully no beach ball of death here coming up. We should be fine. Okay, what do we got here? We got frame 2. Frame 3. Okay, that's it for me. Could have showed you in the meantime. I can show you my ducks here. When I was in my grade 12 and environment blender, and I think I have one that just says, where'd it go? I thought I made a folder here. There it is. So this is the previous animation right here. See, it says 0. Watch this. This is what I had initially. So the first shot is just that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's it. All right, that's enough. And then we'll play the other one after. 5 minutes. Balian out. Thank you.